Good evening, guys. Tonight I'm going to introduce you how to use Photoshop. First of all, you need to open this software and choose one of them to editing. Oops. Okay, let's go to editing this beautiful beast. If you wanna add some, like you wanna draw here, just click this button, and you can just draw. I wanna draw some here. Yeah, and if you just wanna cut this card, you can just click it here, and okay, and click here, and this one. Okay, you just got only card here. If you wanna back up, click here, go to top, right, click here. Oh, if you wanna find which step you did, you just find the steps here. Yeah, and if you wanna just you can use eraser. If you don't like this helicopter, you just okay, it just disappeared. Yeah, that's, and one more thing. If you wanna type some word here, you just click this one, and you can change the size here. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys.